Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lip Monthly September 2020 unbagging. So on the card it does show you one of the featured products, which is a lipstick that's $18. So here's the bag this month, the Sassiest, that's really cute. And the first product is Crazy Foils Unicorn Activated Eyeshadow. That sounds interesting. We'll have to take a look at that. So it's like a purple and then like a green. Kind of interesting. I don't know what... Ooh, it's very soft. Unicorn Activated. Not quite sure about that. Oh, I kind of see it. Kind of gives you like a rainbow color. Can't really see it on camera. That's very soft. Interesting. It says you can actually mix it with water too. And it transforms into a crazy foil. Interesting. Then we have Unicorn Snot Lip Gloss. That is super fun. Love that. And here is the mascara for $18. See if I can get it out without completely ripping the box. I tend to do that. So let's see what the shade is. Tiramisu. I like the packaging. It's a nice color too. I like that. And there's one other item in here, and it is a lip exfoliator with radish extract. Interesting packaging. Little girl swinging, and there's like some fairies in the background. Very cool. That's all sealed up. So yeah, that's what I got for my September bag. There's some fun items in here this month. If you guys would like to subscribe, I'll put all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.